Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be covering collision domains and broadcast domains. In my opinion, this is probably one of the most important topics in networking, as the reason why we set up networks the way we do. Every other topic really stems from these domains. So let's get started. What is a collision domain? A collision domain is essentially the lowest form of wire communication. It is set up like the walkie-talkie where only one person can speak at a time. It is okay for two people, but as you start adding more people, you'll spend a lot of time listening for a chance to speak. With a network with multiple hosts, having to wait to send a message can really slow down the network. A hub is one collision domain, and it forces the host to share bandwidth, while each port on a switch is its own collision domain and has its own bandwidth. Luckily, you will likely never have to deal with these because most modern networks will not use hubs. So the biggest note to take from that is switches break up collision domains and increase bandwidth. So the next question is, what is broadcast domains? It is a message being sent to everyone except for the source port getting the message. Even if the message is not for them, they still have to read the message to make sure it's not for them. Again, this isn't a big deal if you only have 2 or 3 hosts, but on a large network, it can really cause performance issues. A broadcast domain can be broken up by either a router or a VLAN. We'll talk about VLANs in another video. The idea is to break up collision domains and broadcast domains. And this is one of the major reasons why we use VLANs. In an organization which has maybe 3 switches, a 24 port switch, this could have potentially 69 hosts on a single broadcast domain. That means each sending a message to everyone but themselves. For example, DHCP, when you're requesting an IP address, when you first log your computer into the network, it has 4 messages. And each one of those has to be broadcasted. And so 4 times 69 hosts, as you can see, that will really slow down your network. So to recap, collision domains can be broken up by switches, and broadcast domains can be broken up by either a router or a VLAN.